the enduring fascination of touring car factories visiting a car factory. Whether it's BMW's Spartanburg plant or Ferrari's Maranello facility, never loses its appeal. Despite repeated exposure, the sheer complexity and scale of these operations remain consistently impressive. The immense scale of modern production touring car factories are not just assembly lines. They are mind-bogglingly complex industrial ecosystems. The Spartanburg plant, for example, produces over 1,500 vehicles daily. The main production line for the X3 model stretches a full mile long, branching off into various sub-assemblies. The entire facility covers 8 million square feet and employs over 11,000 people. This scale isn't just about size, it's about the precision required to make it work. Every day, thousands of cars are assembled with the exact parts arriving at the right moment, down to the millisecond. The logistical coordination required is staggering. The intricacy of automotive engineering standing on the factory floor. One realizes that designing a car is far more than just aesthetics. It's about figuring out the exact sequence of assembly, where every bolt and nut goes, and how to fit it all together efficiently. This process isn't intuitive. It requires meticulous planning and engineering. The speed at which cars are assembled hundreds per hour only amplifies the complexity. It forces a deeper understanding of how many people, processes, and machines must work in concert to keep the line moving. Why car factories remain captivating. The enduring fascination with car factories isn't just about spectacle. It's about appreciating the brilliance of modern manufacturing. These facilities are testaments to human ingenuity, logistical precision, and engineering prowess. Car factories serve as a reminder that even in an age of automation, the automotive industry remains a remarkable feat of coordinated effort. Whether you're an industry insider or a casual enthusiast, stepping inside these plants offers a fresh perspective on the sheer scale and complexity of modern vehicle production.